Hi and welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn about comparison operators. In SQL Server, we have these 6 comparison operators. We have already made use of equal to operator in our last video of where clause. So now in this session, we will make use of remaining operators in our where clause. Let's have a practical introduction into SQL Server. So you know that we already have created a jobs table in our previous sessions. I just added a new column of days required and entered a random value in this column so that we can have multiple uh, we can execute multiple queries on this table. So you can see that in jobs table this days required column contains the value that how many days these tasks require to complete. For example, let's say task 1 requires 5 days to complete, task 2 requires 2 days, and so on. So let's come on to our query. We have equal to operator. We already have made use of it. Let's have a recap. Select static from jobs where job ID equals to, I'm using control plus tab key to switch between the window. Job ID equals to 2. Job ID equals to 2. Hitting F5. Okay, it's asking for the connection. Connected. Connect the database. My database is workdb. Now hitting F5 will execute the query. So you can see that I made use of this equal to operator through which I can get let me maximize the size, through which I can get a job whose ID is 2. If I want to retrieve all those tasks who require 5 days or less for completion, what I will do, I will modify my query and will enter the column days required because I want to apply my condition on this column, days required. So I will write days required equal to 5. Days required equal to 5. If you hit F5, then you will get the record which requires 5 days to complete. But if you wish to retrieve all those records who require less than 5 days to complete, hit execute. Okay, we have these 3 tasks which require less than 5 days to complete. This is task 2, task 3 and task 6. We can verify our records. Task 2, task 3 and task 6. Yes, it requires 4 days. Now if we change the operator, we use greater than sign, hit F5. Okay, these are the records which require more than 5 days. Now just look at here that this record which require exactly 5 days to complete is not coming over here because we have used operator of greater than, not greater than or equal to. Now as I have put equal to over here with the greater than sign, now I have used this sign over here, greater than or equal to. In this case, the task which requires 5 days to complete will also be retrieved. Okay, now let's come on to our task. Our first task is to get jobs which require less than 6 days to complete. We already have done that. Tasks which require less than 6 days to complete, hit execute. Okay, so this is the query for task 1. This comment task 1. Okay, what is our task 2? Get jobs which require either 5 days or more to complete. Simple. Task 2, select static from jobs. It's not case sensitive, it's up to you, but it's better that you write table name in a small and keywords in the uppercase. Days required, what was it? Either 5 days or more. either 5 days or more, equal to 5. If I hit execute without selecting any query, both queries will be executed. Okay, the result from both queries is displayed over here. But if you select only this query, then you will get the result of your selected query. So this is the query that we needed for our task number 2, get jobs which require either 5 days or more to complete. So here is the query, select static from jobs where days required is either greater than or equal to 5. I hope it is clear to you, but let me explain you one more thing. We are using static over here. That means we are going to select all the records, all the columns. If you wish to just select job title, you can modify this list. Now in this case, only job title will be retrieved. Only job title will be retrieved of all those jobs whose days required is either 5 or greater than 5. I hope this should be clear to you. Thanks for being with me in this session. Thank you.